Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up membership and subscription inside Acuity Scheduling. So let's get started. First, log into your Acuity account and go to the main dashboard. Now, on the left hand side, you'll see several options. Click on the Packages, Gifts and Subscription option. Here you will see few different options, but for membership, choose New Subscription. This is where you can create recurring payments plan for your clients. So click on new subscription. Now give your subscription a title, something like monthly yoga plan. And then you have to give access, whether it's public, private, or you can just available it. Now you have to select the price. You can change the amount according to your need, and then here you will see the number of billing cycles option. You have to just click on this and set it according the way you want. For example, I'm setting this to 50 payment max. Then the next step is initial setup fees. It is completely flexible. Acuity will automatically handle recurring payments for you. After that, you have to choose the category, or you can also add pictures and fill the descriptions. And here you have to reset the amount of appointments that can be redeemed. Now, here you have to write redeemable for the total number of minutes, and here you have to write this can be redeemed for the minutes uh, of any of these appointment types, and then you have to click the checkbox. After you're done with all of this, you just have to click on Add Subscription. Acuity will automatically build them on the schedule you set and let them use their membership to booking appointments. Finally, don't forget to test it yourself to make sure everything is working smoothly before launching it to your clients. And that's it, you have successfully set up membership and subscription in Acuity Scheduling. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.